In this project, we have earthquake, we have COVID, we have geographic conditions, we have price escalation, we have project revisions. So all those make our job much more difficult. Bursa is an industrial city which has around 3 million of population. When we consider about freight transportation and harbor connection, thanks to this project, freight costs will be much more lower and Bursa will be much more competitive. We were able to manage the resources based on budget, timelines, and day-to-day activities and deliver our products on time. We agreed about price clause to be able to supply the material. Kalyon and One Foslo team has been used EPC method on this project.
EPC means engineering, procurement and construction, where we are responsible. So it's some kind of work stream which we are totally responsible to whole construction activities at the site. The projects are started mainly on the western part of Anatolia to link the inner Anatolia to the ports, which are located on the western and the southern sea parts in Aegean Sea and the Mediterranean Sea.
I would like to give some information about our project, which is 200 kilometers. We have 9 stations, we have 20 tunnels, we have 3 viaducts, and we will try to aim within 2 years.
So the railway project is the last but the most important part where the value is created, contributed to the economy in Turkey, and then carrying and transporting them in a most environmental friendly way by reducing the burden of the toll roads and reducing the consumption of the carbon emission and reducing the stress of the overall mobility around the Turkey on the toll roads.
As One Foslo, we have provided fastening and turnouts of this project. For the turnouts, dimensions varies between 1/9 to 1/24. For the fastenings, we have provided W21 for ballast track and System 300-1 for slab track. This project consists of 2 phases. First phase is starting from Osmaneli up to Bursa, and the second phase starting from Bursa all the way to Bandırma. With a view to reducing carbon dioxide emissions, Foslo Switch Systems has opted for 100% rail transport for the deliveries, thus saving considerable amount of carbon dioxide compared to trunk transport. The delivery is covering almost 4,000 kilometers through several European countries, including Denmark, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Serbia, Bulgaria, and Turkey. This logistic solution not only reduces the environmental impact, but also offers economical advantage for the customer. Foslo has learned a valuable lesson from the first shipment and is continuously improving its process. These initiatives demonstrate Foslo's commitment to sustainability and efficient logistics in global projects. In the future, we can also efficiently integrate Foslo rail services thanks to our full portfolio, which consists of flash butt welding, initial grinding of the new rails, and initial grinding of the turnouts.
We choose Foslo as a partner because Foslo is a global company. They have lots of experience on that high-speed lines, especially and all over the world and the European side.
I am proud of being involved in such a green and future-focused project. And also I am proud of working with well-known company Kalyon and provide them different kind of components at the same time. In addition, passengers from Istanbul and Ankara can travel to Bursa much more safer, faster, comfortable and sustainable.